In Lakesh and Veritas, everyone, sending you the frequencies of oneness and truth. And we are excited here at Of the Sun because we're laying out some big plans to grow our Laota of the Sun YouTube channel by providing you expansive evolutionary videos, product demos, research, and footage of our classes. And simply by subscribing to our YouTube channel, you will be entered to win a free pair of anti-radiation headsets.
AirTube headsets have a hollow flexible air tube that replaces the wire from your phone to the small earpiece. The principal reason to get an AirTube headset is to reduce your radiation exposure. It has been shown that EMF radiation from a cell phone can quite easily travel through the wire of a normal headset and into your brain. On the contrary, AirTube headsets use sound waves to transmit the sound from the device to your ear, reducing your exposure to EMF radiation by as much as 99%.
At Of the Sun, our focus is to provide tools to help humanity save itself. And we are in gratitude to be able to provide such an effective tool to help mitigate EMF radiation at no cost for you. So winning is simple. 1. Subscribe to the Laota of the Sun YouTube channel. 2. Get 5 others to subscribe to the Laota of the Sun YouTube channel. 3. Send us an email with the 5 YouTube account names that have subscribed, and we will ship you your anti-radiation headsets free of charge. This is a $20 value, and the shipping is on us. So continue subscribing, and we'll continue shipping while supplies last. Leaving you in the frequencies of oneness and truth, in Lakesh and Veritas.